Hello friends, welcome back! Today we're going to learn how Arabic letters change their sound. In Arabic, we use very small marks on letters. These marks tell us how to pronounce the letter. We call them vowel marks or diacritics, or in Arabic, al-harakat. There are 4 different types of diacritics in Arabic. Now let's quickly understand them one by one.
فتحة فتحة.
Watch how this diacritic is written and pronounced.
باء فتحة باء باء فتحة باء.
This is what it will sound like when applied on other letters.
ثاء ثاء. شا شا. ما ما.
Now, on to the next one.
كسرة كسرة.
Watch how this diacritic is written and pronounced.
باء كسرة بي باء كسرة بي.
This is what it will sound like when applied on other letters.
هي هي. صي صي.
Now, on to the next one.
ضمة ضمة.
Watch how this diacritic is written and pronounced.
باء ضمة بو باء ضمة بو.
This is what it will sound like when applied on other letters.
طو طو. أو أو. كو كو.
We're almost there. Now let's finish with the last one.
سكون سكون.
Watch how this diacritic is written and pronounced.
باء سكون أب باء سكون أب.
Now let's read some Arabic words together. Listen carefully to the vowel sounds and notice how they are written.
درس درس. خرج خرج. وقف وقف. عطش عطش. شرب شرب. لعب لعب. فقد فقد. رفع رفع. تجد تجد. ترسم ترسم. أكتب أكتب. شربت شربت.
Amazing work! Today you learned how vowel marks change Arabic sounds. Keep practicing. You're doing great. See you next time.